Yo, what's good, beautiful bastards? I hope you are doing absolutely fantastic. And welcome to today's ASMR news video. I haven't done one of these videos in a very long time. I'm not sure if you guys enjoy them or not. Like, should I keep going with these kind of videos? I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. If you do enjoy them, I'll keep making them. If not, then, I will get back to regular ASMR videos. Anyways, in today's video, we're gonna be talking about the one and only Amber Heard. I haven't heard of Heard in months, but she's back. She's back with a strong statement that I'm gonna be reading in a minute. But first, let me just inform you that Amber finally agreed to pay Johnny Depp the $1 million to settle their long-running legal battle, in which each accused the other of domestic violence. I'm pretty sure you watched that trial. It was booming all over the globe. Johnny Depp's attorney has confirmed that the money will go to charity, which is great, because Johnny previously said that the case was never about the money. It was, for him, it was about getting his voice heard. So he doesn't really care about the money. On the other hand, as I said, Amber released a very lengthy statement on Instagram that I'm gonna be reading it for you now, and you guys be the judge. What do you think? I'm gonna stay out of this, okay? I'm gonna stay out of this because I know there's people are with Amber, there's people are with Johnny. When I do these kind of videos, I try my best to stay neutral, even though I have my own opinion, but I try my best to stay neutral because I don't want to upset anyone. I'm just here to report on the news, okay? But yeah, I do have my opinion on the matter. Anyways, she goes, "After a great deal of deliberation, I have made a very difficult decision to settle the defamation case brought against me by my ex-husband in Virginia. It is important for me to say that I never chose this. I defended my truth, and in doing so, my life as I know it was destroyed. The vilification I have faced on social media is an amplified version of the ways in which women are re-victimized when they come forward. Now I finally have an opportunity to emancipate myself from something I attempted to leave over 6 years ago, and on terms I can agree to. I have made no admission. This is not an act of concession. There are no restrictions or gags with respect to my voice moving forward." Okay? "I make this decision having lost faith in the American legal system, where my unprotected testimony served as entertainment on social media." To be honest, there was some really good memes from that trial. They made some really good memes. I can't deny that. "When I stood before a judge in the UK, I was vindicated by a robust, impartial, and fair system, where I was protected from having to give the worst moments of my testimony in front of the world's media, and where the court found that I was subjected to domestic and sexual violence. In the US, however, I exhausted almost all my resources in advance of and during a trial in which I was subjected to a courtroom in which abundant direct evidence that corroborated my testimony was excluded, and in which popularity and power mattered more than reason and due process. In the interim, I was exposed to a type of humiliation that I simply cannot relive. Even if my US appeal is successful, the best outcome would be a retrial where a new jury would have to consider the evidence again. I simply cannot go through that for a third time. Yeah, because legal fees will suck you dry, and most likely you will lose again. Time is precious, and I want to spend my time productively and purposefully. For too many years, I have been caged in an expensive legal process, which has shown itself unable to protect me and my right to free speech. I cannot afford to risk an impossible bill. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. One that is not just financial, but physical and emotional. Women should not have to face abuse or bankruptcy for speaking her truth, but unfortunately, it is not uncommon. In settling this case, I am also choosing the freedom to dedicate my time to work that helped me heal after my divorce. Work that exists in realms in which I feel seen, heard, and believed, and in which I know I can effect change. I will not be threatened, disheartened, or dissuaded by what happened from speaking the truth. No one can and no one will take that from me. My voice forever remains the most valuable asset I have. I would like to thank, dang, that's a lengthy statement, holy. I would like to thank my outstanding appellate and original trial teams for their relentless hard work. I want to thank everyone who has supported me, and I turn my attention to the growing support I've felt and seen publicly in the months since trial, and the efforts, I'm not sure what growing support you're talking about, but okay, and the efforts that have been made to show solidarity with my story. I failed to stay neutral, did I? Anyways, no offense to anyone. Any survivor knows that the ability to tell their story often feels like the only relief, and I cannot find enough words to tell you the hope your belief in me inspires. Not just for me, but for all of you. Thank you. See you soon. Okay, interesting. Again, I'm not gonna commentate on this whole thing because yeah, there's people on each side, of course, so I don't want to upset anyone. Yeah, otherwise they will eat you alive in the comments. Anyways, that was it. Let me know what you think about this whole situation. What do you think? Just your thoughts. Alright, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. God bless you and have a lovely, wonderful, peaceful night. And let me know if you want to see more ASMR news videos. Bye bye.